Remember, said this still young, and we have to get to know each other. That's what the thing said.
You don't have to preach to the choir, Trevor. And I didn't tell you I want you to walk me down the aisle today.
Alright. We can change the subject now.
With all pleasure. What is it that you want to change it to?
Anything else but this marriage thing we are talking about?
Well, have you decided when you're going to do the DNA test on the children?
Right now, no. You kind of forget about that in a nice. You just have to go and do what me have to do until the time is right.
Is it that you don't decide to do it because I mentioned that you need to do one on Camilo's child as well?
Well, as you suggest, it's a whole heap of money that. And them don't know me as them father already. So I just go and play the role.
By the way, you claim she helped you with social media page. What did she do?
I say, I don't really go up on the page, so I don't really know what I go on. I leave that to her.
Let me tell you, she did absolutely nothing.
So, you go up on the page?
Yes, Trevor. Same 300 odd followers, just like it was before. No changes. But she was supposed to be a social media person, right?
So nice, eh? Like how the things stay so. And you say, you can deal with it. You can deal with it.
Trevor, you don't have to ask me that. I just want to show you that she was only using that as a distraction to come closer to you.
I don't think so. I remember say, from day one, she didn't help me to get back on my foot.
So, how will Camille do for you, so? She saved her life?
Some kind of way, I tell you, I can't be ungrateful.
I'm not telling you to be ungrateful. I thank her for that. I'm grateful for her too. But everybody have an expiration date.
Tell you something. But it's kind of hard to accept, say, our time expire. I remember, I'm a baby mother.
When I talk about expiration date, you see, Trevor, I was talking relationship-wise. Some people can be a good friend, but just when you come on to relationship, it's toxic.
I understand what you're saying.
Good. I'm not a bad person, Trevor. I'm just realistic. And some people cannot handle the truth.
I see. Thanks.
For what exactly?
For just being you. And the guests that were checking yesterday for me, them talk highly about you. I just want to tell you thanks for everything.
Trevor, it is my interest. Your concern, my concern. Your business is my business.
You're really nice but true,
Oh, Trevor, I want to thank you for something. I want to thank you for letting me stay in here, for footing the bill, but guess what? I'll pick it up from here.
What? Pick it up from here?
You remember that job interview? Well, I was given an advance from Mr. Xpressionz.
Mr. Xpressionz. And you not start work yet? You sure said this legit?
Well, let's put it this way. He sees my worth and he wants to hold on to me.